Hello everyone, I'm Eliza. I'm currently at the headquarters of Ningbo Deman Air Compressor. Deman DDVE series is two-stage oil-cooled PNDSD air compressor. Is extremely well-selling in China and also very popular overseas. It is equipped with IP65 and IE5 ultra-safe model, stable operation in all weather conditions, and in a variety of complex environments, which can produce compressed air more efficiently. It is equipped with Deman Cloud Intelligent Remote Control to create infinite value for clients with efficient and reliable use of compressed air. If you are interested in, please call me.